We're going to head out onto the historic Scenic Route S2 today, here in Southern California. This highway stretches roughly 68 miles from Route 79 all the way down to Ocotillo in the south. The section of the road we're going to ride today is from Route 79 down to Borrego Springs. We'll grab some lunch, and then we're going to head back to San Diego. This highway takes us through the mountains and flatlands of the Anza Borrego Desert State Park. I hear there's just amazing, spectacular views, and I'm really looking forward to seeing that. Man, there's just nothing but open land and sky. It's just beautiful. Our ride today should take us roughly, 40 minutes. So far this road has its share of tar snakes and cracks. It's manageable, looks clean. I would take it easy, especially in the heat, hot days. These tar snakes will heat up and get real slippery. In fact, this road wasn't even paved until 1929. Hard to tell what they're using this land for out here. It's pretty arid and desert-like. There's some wooded area here and some buildings that look like farms, but I don't know. If anyone knows, please leave a comment. I'd like to know. Nice ride, though. I haven't seen one speed limit sign out here yet. I don't know, I'm going to assume 55, 65 on a road like this. Nice long straightaways, nice long sweeping curves. So I think the speed could be a little bit higher. There are bike riders on this road. I think there's a bike that looks like a bike lane on the right-hand side. I think I did see some signs for bike riders. So I'd take it easy, better safe than sorry. The road isn't in the best condition, a lot of tar snakes. So, ride at your own pace, man. Looks like we're really starting to get into some mountainous desert terrain here. I mean, I expect John Wayne to pop out any minute. This land must look very similar to what the settlers saw when they were moving out from the east. That's the first speed limit sign I've seen, dropping down to 30 miles an hour. I guess we're going to start getting into the canyon corners. Like many of the routes here in Southern California, this route is also rich in history. Originally traveled by Native Americans, then Spaniards. It was also used as a Mexican mail route, and later traveled by Kit Carson, General Kearny, who also brought his troops for the Mexican-American War, and then became a stagecoach route and was named the Great Southern Overland. This brought settlers moving west in the 1900s. And it was also popular out during the gold rush. Another famous name to use this route was Mark Twain. He and his brother were using it to head to California in 1861. He writes all about it in his book, Roughing It. Man, look at these views. Now I know why Hollywood made so many westerns out here. It's amazing. I find it interesting that every road has its own characteristics and history. Knowing a little about the road you ride just gives it a little more depth, perspective. No railings here, man. You go off, it's going to be a bad day. I can't even imagine what it was like coming out here on Stagecoach. It must have been one rough-ass ride, man. Man, if you're hiking out here, man, it's, I don't know, there must be all kinds of stuff out there. rattlers, scorpions, mountain lions, I don't know what else, but looks pretty wild. We're heading into Borrego Springs now. That was one really fun ride. I really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Ride your ride, ride safe, and we'll see you soon.